before going forward is to thank all our frontline workers, our doctors, and all our staff for putting their lives right at risk to serve the people and the masses in the state of Goa. We have an excellent team headed none other than the Chief Minister, along with the Chief Minister, our Chief Secretary, my Secretary Health, who I always say I'm very proud of the hard work that she's been putting in on a day-to-day basis. And in addition to that, our Dean, Goa Medical College, our Director of Health Services, doctors, all associated with the COVID management in the state of Goa, along with all the teams of all the departments that have taken this so seriously that till today, there's never been a break in the meetings being held by the SEC, right from the time it was formed till date. With the guidance of the Chief Minister and the state government, with all my colleagues, all of us have taken this pandemic very seriously and trying to deal with it at our level. Speaker sir, सांगचे म्हणजे एकूच की विरोधी पक्ष जो असता आणि opposition should always come with constructive suggestions as to how we need to go forward. It is very easy to criticize. It is very easy to say what needs to be done, what has not been done. But pandemic and COVID-19 did not come in a very planned manner. Pandemic took globally it has taken everybody in a different situation by shock, by surprise. Countries like the United States of America also have shown the vulnerability to this type of a pandemic of COVID-19. There also people are trying to put systems and SOPs in place, and I'm proud to say that the SOPs put in the state of Goa by the government of Goa has been in the interest of the public and the people of the state of Goa. You must have recently read that as far as Goa is concerned, the testing rate of people in the state of Goa is one of the highest per million in the country. And I'm proud to say is that we have also evolved as things are moving forward and we are finding the cases also increasing. We must all understand is that when there was a lockdown, the situation was different, and also dealing with a lockdown is not very easy. And in addition, the systems that we got an opportunity during that period to put in place, Goa government has been one of those few governments in the country, along with other states like Kerala, which have been following the best practices in order to control the pandemic and keeping COVID-19 under control. Today, things do happen. We are sorry for the 33 deaths that have taken place. And I would also like to share with you, Speaker Sir, on the floor of the House, it was very necessary that we make a statement and also to assure the members of the House, though the opposition is not present when they should have been present to hear the statement of the government of what is being put in, what is the effort that is being put in. Today, Speaker Sir, the total testing that has been done is close to about 1,21,771 tests that have been conducted. Total positives, that comes to about 8.11%. Total positive cases till now detected in the state of Goa was around 4,686. Totally recovered was around 3,047. So recovery rate has been also pretty high, about 65%, and mortality rate has been about 33 deaths. That's about 0.7%. That is lower than the national average. मधी आवाज झालो स्पीकर सर की आमच्याकडे मेडिसिन्स जे गरज आहात ती मेडिसिन्स आमच्याकडे ना, पण आम्ही एक महिन्या पयलीं आम्ही रेक्विजिशन घातलेले आसा नवे तरेचे मेडिसिन्स त्यो वायल्स आम्ही ऑलरेडी प्रोक्युअर करून हाडल्या. एक वायलच्या माध्यमांतल्या ते नवीन मेडिसिन जे आयल्या ते आम्ही पेशंटाक आम्ही ट्रीट करू शकता. आज गोवा राज्य ह्या तरेचे एक राज्य आसा जे खंय आम्ही सगळे मेडिकेशन, सगळे प्रोटोकॉल्स एंड सगळे SOP जे ICMR कडल्यान आमकां दिल्ले गेल्या ते फॉलो आम्ही करता. त्याचबरोबर हावजान स्टेटमेंट करताना आणि एक सांगूंक सोदता की आमचे सेक्रेटरी हेल्थ पासून आमचे डॉक्टर्स, आमचे जे टीम लिडर्स जे आसा कोविड हॉस्पिटलान, ते none other than they are in touch with none other than Dr. Guleria and the AIIMS team to guide us on how the medication has to be used.